Hey, call friends. So today I want to share with you how I treat my dandruff with an anti-dandruff shampoo, and this is called the Ketoconazole shampoo. This is actually an anti-dandruff and antifungal shampoo, and it helps to treat itchy scalp and then dandruff. So what I do with this is to apply it on my scalp. Now this product is not supposed to be applied directly on the hair because it contains chemicals that can be that can be drying to the hair. So basically what I'm doing is applying it directly on my scalp. All I do is to wet my scalp and then put the shampoo directly on the scalp, and I also massage it into the scalp and make sure that it is in the scalp. This shampoo contains an active ingredient that helps with dandruff, specifically with antifungal infections. So if you have an itchy scalp, this could be your best bet. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because I've used this shampoo for some time now, and I can say that when it comes to combating an itchy scalp, this does the job. Now, I also had an issue of flakiness on the scalp. I shared that video. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it up above, and I'll also link it in the comment in the description below. Now with this flaky scalp, this shampoo doesn't really work well for a flaky scalp, because after I shampooed some time with this, it did not really take care of the flakiness. It only helped with my itchy scalp. Now the next thing I do is to massage it, or to massage my scalp with my scalp brush, and all I'm doing is just massaging my scalp with this scalp brush that I love so much because it is really versatile. I use it for a lot of things, and if you've been watching my videos, you see that I use it actually for a lot of things. So after I applied it on my scalp, you can see that even though some of the hair decided, some of the product decided to get onto the strands, it it is not on all the strands. It's just basically concentrated on my scalp, and that is what I wanted. So this product is actually supposed to be left on the hair for around about 5 minutes before you wash it off. And usually when I use this product, I only use it on my scalp, wash it off, and then continue with my normal sulfate free moisturizing shampoo. And so this is basically how I use this shampoo, this anti-dandruff shampoo on my hair to help me combat my itchy scalp. And so far I would say that this has been great, and I am still using it for my scalp. And so I am sure that I'll be using this for a while. And so if you haven't checked it out, you can try it if you have an itchy scalp.